got this beautiful girl natin.
Wali mo natin.
Oh, okay. Come together. Come together. Okay. Oh, honey. Okay, yeah, come on, touch. Tell me why you're so beautiful. Honey, how can you so beautiful? So, that's how we create this.
I don't
Don't forget her hat in my car. Who's gonna pick you up today? Who?
And Mommy and Tita Rissa.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, put your shoes on. You found T-Rex? Oh, wow.
That's mine!
Mom.
Love you. Enjoy.
Bye-bye, Arlo. Arlo, bear. Bye, buddy. I'll be home around 5.
Alright. See you, baby. Enjoy. I'll pick you up later, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Pull your backpack. Bring your backpack.
I'll grab your backpack.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, ate. Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you. Aw, again? Aw, my sweetie pie. What happened?
I like it.
You don't like it? You don't like what happened to you? You spilled it? You made a mess? That's okay. Yeah, it happens sometimes. Yeah, it's okay. You wanna change now? Yes, okay. Look at what you did. Tumalikod lang ako saglit, boy. Nilagay ko lang yung dishes sa dishwasher. Ikaw naman. Alright. Who made a mess?
No.
What no? Alo! Did Alo make a mess?
No.
Yes. You don't like it? You don't like the mess? Not this one? Oh no, Alo boy. Alo boy. Do you want strawberry, Alo? We have one strawberry left. What do you want though? Aray. 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 Peekaboo!
Where's Mommy?
Where's Mommy?
Mommy's there.
Peekaboo! Sus.
Where's Awa?
Oh, where's Alo? There you are! Peekaboo! Face is dirty. Where's Alo? There you are! Peekaboo! Can Mommy sit down?
No.
No?
I will sit down.
You sit down. Sige, bala ka dyan. We're getting ready kasi wala na.
Stop.
Napaaga ang get ready ni Dudong. Kasi,
I fell down.
ano naman, you fell down. Oh no, you fell down. So, yung gagawin ko lang naman ay Dami ko actually gagawin. I need to change the sheets of our guest room because titas are coming again. Again and again and again. I'm just gonna get ready kasi alas 9 pa lang, guys. And yung dating ni Kuya, Friday kasi ngayon. So, happy Friday! Dating ni Kuya is, di ko na alam kung anong oras yung schedule ko kay Kuya. 10:30, 11, mga ganun. So, we have plenty of time. Ready? Steady? Go. Your face is dirty. Is that Cocoa Pops?
No.
Yes.
No, me.
Yes.
No.
You go hide. I'll count. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where is Alo? Alo, where are you? Alo, where are you? I can't see you. Alo. I see you. It's not you. Who is it? I'm using again my favorite at the moment, the Colorette color tint. Rosa ang shade. So ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Palitan ko lang yung sheets nila. Agoy, ang dami. Agoy, ang dami. Agoy, 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 ang dami. And yung nails ko, guys. Nag-press on nails tayo from Kmart, diba? Look. Look, 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 look. Can you see? And ang tibay-tibay niya, wala pang natatanggal. Pang ilang days na natin ngayon. Hindi kasi ako nag-vlog ng Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hala, 3 araw pala ako hindi nag-vlog. Ang dami ko kasing vlogs na kailangan i-edit. And I'm still not up to date. Mayroon pa akong, siguro 2 na lang. At saka ito, pangatlong vlog na kailangan kong i-edit. So, at least hindi na ganun kadami kasi noon, agoy, maabot ng mga 1 week worth of vlogs na hindi pa na-edit. Yung problema lang sa nails, walang problema yung hold niya, it's still not lifting. And to think na Kmart lang to ha, $2 lang to guys. I used the Kmart glue as well. So, originally, $5 siya, nakasale siya ng $2. And it's still on my nails. My gosh, look at that. Yung problema lang sa kanya is yung parang layer ng print niya. Sana nakikita niyo yung tip. Ayun oh. Natutuklap yung kulay. Kasi ang dami-dami kong ginagawa. I wash the dishes multiple times a day. And then, like when I open stuff as well, I use my nails all the time. So natuklap yung print niya. But yung nail mismo, hindi. So, inisip ko, next time siguro kung gagamitin ko siya, I will put like a top coat on it. I'm not sure if that will work, but I will try that next time. Or hopefully, the nails that I ordered from Amazon, which I received yesterday, I picked up yesterday, hopefully yung quality niya much better. Kasi ito parang layer lang siya ng print. So, nagtutuklapan na yung print niya. Pero yung sa dulo lang naman. But yeah, no lifting, nothing. To think na, as in $2 lang to. Ang ganda guys. I'm happy so far. Thank you, Arlo. Okay, tapos na tayo. Let's go to Tita Rich's room. Let's get her room ready. Tita Rich is coming. I need to wipe your face as well. Let's go, let's go. OOTD, just a bralette na may foam na. So, hindi na ako nagbra. And cardigan and my... Ano nga ulit yun? Hindi siya Lululemon. Hindi Lululemon. Lorna Jane. Lorna Jane na maternity leggings. Oh my gosh. What's that noise?
It's a pasta.
Pasta? Oh no. What should we do? Oh, this one. We'll put this in their bed. This is nice. Yes. This and this one. Is that there for the bed or for our bed? Wait, so. No, not yet outside. We'll go outside later. Para sa bed ba nila to or sa amin to? Hindi ko na alam. It's theirs, yeah?
I think, Mommy.
You're eating, Mommy! You got me. You got me again. Let's change Tita's bedsheet. I'm not ready to wash bed sheets. Ang lalaki. Hala, Arlo, please don't make a mess. Ay, naku. Here we go again.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. A she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Kain. Hindi pa pala ako kumakain. Nagkapilang pala ako kanina. So, kain tayo. Mamaya pa yun si Kuya do. Ano lang, tinost ko lang yung bread, tapos lalagyan ko ng Lady's Choice sandwich spread. Mas masarap kapag naka-toast yung bread. Na-try nyo na. Toast nyo. Do you want some Arlo? Luli pa mandudong. Dudong. Gusto ko mag-Vietnamese coffee. Pero hindi pwede. Nakakapi na ako today. Ay, nako. I want Vietnamese coffee. Hello. Hello. I want Vietnamese coffee. Hello, boy. Or Starbucks. Ay, parang sarap ng Starbucks. Yummy. Hello. You want some? Hello, guys. It is 11:24. Nag-drive lang ako para makatulog yung isa sa likod. Okay lang naman sa akin, hindi lumabas sana. Well, naglilinis si Kuya, kaya lang si Arlo parang nasanay na. In the car. So, we are in a parking lot. Kasi pagod na ako mag-drive, tas tulog na din naman siya. Gusto ko mag-edit, pero parang gusto ko ding magpahinga. May dala akong snack actually dito. Kain na lang muna ako. Kain na naman. May dala din akong pagkain ni Arlo. So, may pagising niya siguro. Kain tayo, guys. Dala-dala ko din yung natitira kong tortillas. Tortillas ba to? Yeah. Let's eat. This is Arlo's lunch. Mamaya na yan, kakainin pagising na siya. Kaka-check ko lang kay Kuya. 11 siya dumating. So, or close to 11. 11:25 pa lang. So, mamaya pa yung matapos, guys. Dito muna tayo. Kinig tayo ng songs ni Lainey. Para makarelate naman tayo kay Lainey. Update, it's 12:46 and we're still here. Chine-check ko yung camera and si Kuya hindi pa din tapos. Parang linis na niya yung furniture sa labas, alfresco, pero hindi pa niya nalinis yung floor. So, hindi ko alam kung nasaan na siya ngayon. Siguro nasa loob naglilinis. Ang linis actually ng bahay namin. To think na hindi namin siya pinalinisan last Friday kasi iniisip ko pupunta si Michelle, kakalat din. Yung ginagawa ko kasi is dapat free of kalat yung bahay para makalinis ng ayos si Kuya. So, before siya dumating, I make sure na walang mga toys na nasa floor kasi hindi siya nagliligpit. Naglilinis lang siya ng kalat. Naglilinis ng kalat. Ako yung nagliligpit kasi hindi niya ginagalaw yung mga kalat. Like, if may toy sa floor, actually, hindi ko pa na-try. Pero, yeah, hindi niya trabaho na magligpit ng kalat. So, kung may kalat, siguro itatabi niya lang, hindi niya ililigpit para siguro makalinis siya ng floor. Ako talaga yung tagaligpit ng kalat. So, kung yung counter ko makalat, pagbalik ko, malinis na yung counter kasi iwa-wipe niya, pero makalat pa din. So, ako talaga yung tagaligpit ng kalat talaga. Kasi parang ayaw niya galawin yung mga bagay-bagay, which is fair enough. Mainly yung kay Kuya is pag deep clean ng banyo, yung pag-wipe ng mga glass namin kasi marami kaming glass, Which, pagdating ng mga bata, wala palang 5 minutes, may mga marks na naman. But that's okay, as long as alam ko na nalinis siya, na-wipe siya. Kasi yun yung hindi ko magawa. Like, hindi ko magawa na linisin yung glass namin sa kitchen, diba? Ang taas nun, di ako makaakyat-akyat. So, kanina, napaisip ako, sabi ko, my gosh, ang linis ng bahay kasi nga, nagliligpit ako ng kalat all the time. Kaya lang, kawawa naman si kuya, hindi ko siya pinapuntak last week. Ayun, nasa labas na siya, naglilinis na yun. Ayun na. So, malapit na tumatapos. Ayan na, nakikita ko na siya, lilinis na ng floor sa alfresco. So, tapos na yan siya sa loob. After nyan, imamap niya na lang yung sa front namin, tas aalis na yan siya. Lapit na boy. Gising na si Arlo. Kanina pa yan gising. Nagsasnack na nga eh. Oh, finish! Yay! Do you want drink?
No.
I got a drink. I got apple juice. No? Okay. Later. Nakala ko tapos na ako kay kuya. Pero hindi pa pala. Hindi ko alam. Sabi ko kasi kapag nag-school na si Arlo, okay na. Ako na. Kaya ko na yan. Nabuntis. Kasi sabi ko kaya ko naman. Mostly kasi ako talaga gumagawa. Like, yung pag-vacuum guys, ilang beses ako nag-vacuum sa isang araw. Hindi naman kailangan, but ako lang kasi gusto ko na malinis yung bahay, wala akong natatapakan na kasi doon ako sa bahay nagtatrabaho, hindi ako makapagtrabaho ng maayos kung hindi siya malinis. Like yung couch namin, nilinis ko siya, hindi ako nag-vlog ng 3 araw, diba? Nilinis ko yung couch namin, gamit yung binili natin from Biso. Yeah, tapos si Dan din, mahilig din yan mag-vacuum. Parang nakasanayan na lang talaga namin dalawa na every night talaga before kami umakyat, maaliwalas yung baba, walang toys na nakakalat, malinis ang floor. So, hindi ko alam, lalo na sa first.
Opeya.
Good singing. Are you singing, Hopia? Hopia, Hopia. I love you singing, Alo. Who's here? Yeah.
Kasi ako nang gitawagan sila.
Ready? Who's here? Who's here? Oh, Tito daw. Who's your favorite Tito? Who's your favorite Tito? Yan siya. Who's that?
Taas na po. Tumangkad na naman si Dudug. Ang gwapo.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Uy! Come back!
Taas na po.
Dito na kami sa school ni Ayla, guys. Kami lahat pick up na. Nandun si Michelle sa kabilang car. Ang dami mag-pick up ba?
Whole family ba?
Whole family.
Banding ba?
Lagi.
It's fun.
So kung maliit ka gamay, wala na. Puno na dayon. Dali ra kay mapuno. We got ate. Dito kami sa Coco, guys. Milk tea muna kami.
Jamming boy?
Wait, what are you doing? Don't put it back. Saan man ka? Dahil. Ay, lagnaw ba?
What was that, Isla?
What's that? Okay, hello. Was it hot? Oh, wow. Got a lot of pearls, baby. Sarap. Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20 pearls!
What? What?
Uy, share.
Uy, Arlo.
Baka gulit na
Okay, Tita Michelle's turn.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ayaw ni Arlo ng milk tea eh. Arlo's turn. Pero gusto niya yung taro. Okay, Tita Michelle's turn. My goodness.
Very good.
What do you say?
Yummy?
Taas ko yung straw, baka palikin ko kung sago.
Oo, di siya ka nagsago. Bahay na pala kami. Kanina pa. Siguro mga 5:20 na ngayon, guys. And natutulog si Miss kasi, nag-night shift yun kagabi eh. Hello, guys.
I'm big girl now.
You are a big girl. Are you sharing?
I'm making pizza. Mommy!
Oh, wow! Oh, snack! Naglalaro sila Play-Doh. Good job, guys. Sabi ko, stay lang dito sa table na to. And they've been there for siguro mga 20 minutes na din. Daddy will be home soon. Oh, doggy? Daddy. Lutuan ko lang to ng dinner itong mga to para makapag-dinner sila before kami umalis. Kasi mag-Mongolian tayo, diba? Hindi sila, kasi sila kumakain nun. And 6:30 yung booking namin. That's gonna be too late for them, guys. Kumakain yan sila mga 6 or before 6. So, lutuan ko lang sila ng shore bowl na kakainin nila. Pasta! Daddy's home. Hi, Daddy. And may dala pala sila, miss, na ganito, guys. Oranges. Kasi nadadaanan nila yung yung tumutubo ng mga ganito. Doon sa Renmark banda, Barmera. So, bumili sila ng 3 bags. Ayan na lang natira. Ang sarap. Napakatamis, napaka-juicy. Ang bait ng dalawa, oh. Sabi ko sa kanila, huwag niyong disturbuhin yung mga tita nyo doon sa taas. Diyan lang talaga sila. Hindi sila pumupunta doon sa taas. Kasi usually, nandun yan nagkikapaglaro. Sabi ko, natutulog sila. Huwag yung disturbuin. Let's go to Dindin! Unlimited Mongolian food! Sige. Let's go. Asan na si Michelle? Dito na kami sa loob. Yung lagi naming pinupuntahan na, guys, yung lagi naming pinupuntahan na Mongolian. So, nakapila na kami. Nauna kaming 3 girls kanina. Tapos, si Miss na lang yung pinabantay ko ng aking bowl. Kasi pinapila ko na dun si Dan. Kawawa naman si Daddy.
Mommy?
Yes?
Can I return my puppet?
Your puppet?
It's in the bag.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have it now?
Of course, please.
What does Missy do it?
And ang galing kasi dito kami malapit sa fish tank na gustong-gusto nila.
Can I return it?
Ang ganda ng mga isda dyan eh.
Puppet.
Kain tayo. More. So, yung ginawa ko is yung garlic pork. Tapos nilagyan ko ng chili oil. Careful with that glass. Ayla, careful with the glass, please. Palayo ko yung glass, please. Uy, lamig nilang bread in like. Ilaw na ko. Hangkay ito imong usa.
What's up? Pang dalawa na ang kaningala.
Kaya dagang kay kalibutan chili oil. Guys, pangalawang bowl ko na to, pero si Michelle yung pinatimpla ko. Kasi ang sarap ng niya kanina. At busog na ako do. Para lang sulit yung unlimited. So, konti lang. Konti pero parang puno pa din. Kain tayo, guys. Ang init-init pa. Si Dan, pangalawa na yun din yan. Sarap din ng bread. 2 na lang natira. Alam niyo, ito yung paborito kong bread. Yan o, ang sarap-sarap niyan. Balik na silang 2. Same tayo 3? I like meat. Ang sabi mo ha? Chicken? Ikaw? Kangaroo?
Say what? Fish?
What? Kami na talaga ang gumala pa, guys. Magdi-dessert kami. Yochi daw. Hindi ko pa yun na-try. Frozen yogurt. Alright. Let's go. Grabe ka busy, guys. As in, grabe ka busy. Asa? Would you sit here? Or too hot? Yeah. What color?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Alo, do you want strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate? Chocolate. Chocolate for Alo.
I don't want toppings.
You don't want toppings?
No.
Oh my gosh, she doesn't want toppings. She doesn't want toppings. Here, I'll put this on. This is for Alo and me. Wait, Alo. Sobrang busy dun, guys. So, nandito kami sa Shibu. That's Ayla. Looks nice and clean. Arlos. Looks really messy. Now he's using a spoon. Kanina, kinakamay. Ay, dumi-dumi na ng kamay. Gusto mo niya na. Ang dami nung kay Arlo. Dan likes it. First time din ni Mosad? First time din ni Miss. Gusto niya din. First time ko din to. Kaya lang, hindi ko naman nakuha yung gusto ko. Mga pang kids man to. Na, niluwa pa. Tinutulak niya si Ayla, tapos tawa siya ng tawa. Careful, ate. Careful, May. Hello, careful. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. Dito na kami sa car park. Did you like that, my love? Did you like the dessert?
Yeah, it was good.
Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. At hindi din kasi talaga ako mahilig sa... Kung yogurt lang siguro kaya ko pa. Pero yung may mga... Ang dami kasing toppings ko nilagay kasi hindi ako nag-order ng akin. Nag-order ako ng para sa kids lang. And yeah, nilagyan ko ng mga toppings na alam ko magugustuhan nila. But yeah. We're heading home. Home na, no? Yeah. Whew. Ang hirap pa ng parking dito kasi ang daming tao. Friday kasi.
I'm some toad water.
Hey, find it.
Yeah. Look how.
Tulog na tayo, guys. Late na. My gosh, may dancing pa yan sa Ayla bukas. Tapos maaga ako bukas. Meron akong blood test. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Parang tagal ko na hindi nasabi yung intro na yun. Bye, guys.